Okay, we've got a nice little proof today. We're saying then if you've got this following situation on the right, we want to show that GK, the line segment, is 1/6 of that median FC. Now, if that's a median then FC, and how do we know it's a median first off? Well, we know it's a median because the point G lies on it. So anytime there's a point G lying on a line segment, and it's coming from a vertex, then we know that that must be a median. Okay, so if that's a median, we know then that, oh, wrong one, we know then that AF is equal to FB. The same applies then for AD, that's also a median because it contains the line G, the point G, pardon. So again, this is a very important point. We can see that BD is equal to DC. And we're also told then that ED is parallel to AB, so we'll draw that in as well. Okay, so we're trying to find relationships along this line FC then, really. Now, using the fact that BD is equal to DC, we should then be able to see, make sure that you do understand why, that KC is actually equal to half of FC. Okay. Using our basic proportionality and similarity theorems, that should be fairly straightforward. What else do we know then? So we found something to do with KC. We want to find something about GK. Do we know anything about FG? Well, actually we do, don't we? From the first theorem that we proved about medians, is we know that FG, the shorter part of that median, is actually 1/3 of FC. Okay, looks like we're getting somewhere then. And so it shouldn't be too hard to continue here. If we know then, we just need to subtract KC and FG from FC and we'll find GK. So let's write that in there. GK, the length GK, is equal to FC, the length of FC, or minus, let's just add these together, being careful with brackets, KC plus FG. And we know then that KC is what? 1/2 of FC. And similarly, FG is 1/3 of FG. So a good idea here is to add these two together. Now, what's 1/2 plus 1/3? You should know that. It's fairly straightforward. We should end up with 5/6. If we multiply the first fraction by 3/3 and the second fraction by 2/2. So what we've ended up with then is FC minus 5/6 of FC. And I think we found what we're looking for, which equals 1/6 of FC. Okay, that wasn't too painful.